Hey loves, thanks for checking out my channel. This is Aisha and I am the lovely curl. This week I am loving my DIY twist extensions with a braided base. These are super cute, easy, and great as a protective style. Here's what you'll need. Me, well in your case yourself, braiding hair extensions, rubber bands, and cute accessories if you'd like. Now let's get into it. I use crochet hair because it's pre-clumped and so much easier to work with. This is my natural hair. I've already completed the majority and this is the last section. Take the braiding hair and slide it underneath your natural hair. Your natural hair should now be in the center with the braiding hair on the left and right. Take the hair in your right hand and cross it over the center piece, which is your natural hair. Then slide your natural hair to the right hand. Next, you're going to take the hair in your left hand and cross it over the center piece of hair, moving the center hair to the left. Now, repeat this process. Right hand crosses over to center, center hair moves right. Then, the left hand crosses over to center, and the center hair moves left. Keep repeating. Again, right goes to center, center goes right, then left goes to center, and center goes left. Repeat a few notches down to help secure the hair. Now combine your natural hair with one of the sides and begin to twist. You'll want to rotate the strands as you're twisting to make sure you're hiding your natural hair. Now just keep twisting and rotating as you're twisting. This is my very first time ever adding extensions to my hair. Special thanks to YouTuber EboneNicole. It is because of her video that I was able to achieve this look. Her twist came out beautifully and I'll post her link below. Now it looks like some of my natural hair is exposed here, so I'm gonna back it up a little and redo that section. Remembering to rotate as I'm twisting. Now just keep twisting. You can go down as far as you want. I do have another piece of hair exposed, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to keep on twisting. Now, I like to leave some of the hair exposed, but you don't have to do that. You can either cut it off or close it off completely. Then secure with a rubber band. Next, I used some gold jeweled clips just to add a little something extra. They're so cute, they have little rhinestones on them. You open it and you clip it on and you can slide it up or down, place it wherever you want. And we're done. It's as simple as that. This took me 4 hours to complete and I'm really pleased with the results. Thank you for watching.